Let us continue the problems on Bayes theorem. Okay, consider a problem. A doctor is to visit a patient, and from past experience, it is known that the probability is that he will come by train, bus or scooter are respectively 3 by 10, 1 by 5 and 1 by 10. The probability that he will use some other means of transport being therefore 2 by 5. If he comes by train, the probability that he will be late is 1 by 4. If by bus, it is 1 by 3. If by scooter, it is 1 by 2. And if he uses some other means of transport, it can be assumed that he will not be late. When he arrives, he is late. Find the probability that he comes by train. Okay, when he arrives, he is late. Find the probability that he comes by train. That is, the doctor is to visit a patient and he may come either by train or by bus or by scooter or by some other means of transport. So there are 4 alternative sources to visit the patient. Okay, then it is given if he comes by train, the probability he will be late is 1 by 4. Then by bus, by scooter, it is given, and it is given that if he uses some other means of transport, it is assumed he will not be late. Okay, when he arrives, he is late. So that we want to find the probability he comes by train under the condition that he is late. Okay, so there are 4 alternative sources, and hence we have to define 4 events. So that A1, A2, A3, A4. Let A1, A2, A3, A4 be the events that doctor comes by, first case is train, okay, by train, by bus, by scooter, and by using some other means of transport. By using some other means of transport. Okay, respectively. So that A1, A2, A3, A4 are defined respectively, and the given event is the doctor is late. The doctor is late. It is taken as B. The doctor is late. Okay, then there will be a confusion. If we want to consider A4, that the doctor comes by using some other means of transport, as it is given that when he uses some other means of transport, he will not be late. Okay, but as A1, A2, A3 and A4 is considered, so that the total will be equal to 1. Let us check. We calculate, we write the probabilities. P of E1 3 by 10, P of E2 1 by 5, P of E3 1 by 10, P of A3 1 by 10, and P of A4 equal to 2 by 5. Okay, it is given P of A1 equal to 3 by 10, P of A2 equal to 1 by 5, P of A3 1 by 10, P of A4 2 by 5. So that only we get 3 by 10 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 5 equal to 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10 by 10 equal to 1. That is we have to obtain sigma P of AI equal to 1. So that we have to consider A4 as he uses some other means of transport. Now we can write P of, under the condition he comes by train, the doctor is late. It is given that 1 by 4. If he comes by train, the doctor is late with probability 1 by 4. So that P of B given E2. What is it? By bus, the doctor is late. It is 1 by 3. And by scooter, P of B given A3 equal to, it is 1 by 2. And P of B given A4, that is if he uses some other means of transport, it is given he will not be late, so that this probability can be taken as 0. Okay. P of B given A4 equal to 0. So strictly here one point is, important point is, we have to take A4 as he comes by using some other means of transport, so that the total equal to 1 sigma P of EI equal to 1. Sigma P of EI equal to, it should be equal to 1. Okay. So that this equal to 1, and these are the conditional probabilities that the doctor will be late. Now it is required, find the probability he comes by train. Required to find he comes by train given that he is late, that is given B. He comes by train, it is A1. Okay, that is we want P of A1 given B. And by Bayes theorem, it is that is we know the result by Bayes theorem. P of E1 given B equal to P of E1 into P of B given E1 divided by sigma I equal to 1 to 4 P of EI into P of B given EI. Okay, so that the answer will be 3 by 10 P of E1 into P of B given A1 is 1 by 4. Okay, divided by the same thing, the same term, 3 by 10 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into P of B given A2 is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 into P of B given A3 is 1 by 2 plus, what is it? P of A4 is 2 by 5 into 0. Okay. And the answer will be equal to 9 by 23. On simplification, we get this as, that is P of E1 given B equal to 9 by 23 and equal to 0.39 on simplification. Okay, this is the answer, P of A1 given B, and it is obtained using Bayes theorem. Now we move on to the next problem, and the problem is, there are 4 boys and 2 girls in room number 1 and 5 boys and 3 girls in room number 2. Room 1 is 4, what is it? 4 boys and 2 girls, and in room 2 there are 4 boys and 2 girls, and in room 2 there are 5 boys and 3 girls. Okay, now what happens? In room 2, a girl from one of the 2 rooms laughed loudly. A girl from one of the 2 rooms laughed loudly. Find the probability that the girl laughed loudly was from room number 2. It is very simple to calculate this probability by Bayes theorem. Okay. So what are the events? The 2 alternatives are, question number 12. The 2 alternatives are A1 may be room number 1 and A2 room number 2. And the given event is, what is it? A girl laughed loudly. B as the event, that girl laughed loudly. and required to find the probability loudly. Required to find, what is it? Required to find P of the girl laughed loudly, so that it is given B. From room number 2, it is A2. Simple A1. Okay. Given B, under the condition the girl laughed loudly, she was from room number 2, so A2 is the A1, that is P of A2 given B. It is the posterior probability or the reverse probability to inverse probability to be obtained, and by Bayes theorem we obtain. So now what are the probabilities? P of E1, that is there are 2 rooms, so room number 1 is selected with probability 1 by 2, and P of A2 again it is 1 by 2, so that the total is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now P of B given E1, that is in room number 1 there are 4 boys and 2 girls, so that the probability of a girl is 2 by 6, isn't it? 2 by 6. 4 boys and 2 girls in room number 1, and P of B given E2, that is room number 2 has 5 boys and 3 girls, so 3 by 8 is the probability of a girl from room number 2. So that by Bayes theorem we get this probabilities as, by Bayes theorem, okay, P of, we want to obtain P of A2 given B, so it is equal to P of A2 into P of B given A2 divided by sigma I equal to 1 to 2 P of EI into P of B given EI, that is it is equal to 1 by 2 into P of A2, it is 1 by 2 into P of B given A2, it is 3 by 8, okay, divided by 1 by 2 into 2 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 8, the same probability, the same term. P of A2 into P of B given A2 divided by P of A1 into P of B given A1 plus P of A2 into P of B given A2, and on simplification we get this as 9 by 17. That is equal to, implies P of A2 given B equal to 9 by 17, which is equal to 0.529, that is 0.53. Okay. So that the answer is P of A2 given B equal to 9 by 17. Okay. Now we have discussed 2 problems. Okay. Thank you very much.